For today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make my favorite chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are soft and chewy on the inside with a perfect crisp outer edge. In a medium bowl, combine 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground sea salt. Whisk this until it's well combined. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine 1 cup of white sugar, 1¼ cups of packed brown sugar, and 1 cup of melted butter. Using the paddle attachment, mix this on low for about 2 minutes until the sugars and butter are well creamed. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below. Next, we're going to add in 2 large room temperature eggs. We'll mix this until they are incorporated and then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing for 2 minutes until the mixture is nice and light and pale in color. Now we're going to add in 1/2 of our dry ingredients and continue mixing on low for about 30 seconds or so, just until all of the dry ingredients are incorporated. Now we will add in our remaining dry ingredients and we're going to continue mixing this again for about another 30 seconds or until our dough comes together. Next, we will add in 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chunks and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You don't have to use both, either or would work, basically whatever you have on hand. Using a spatula, mix this until it is just combined. It's super important to not overmix your dough. Now we're going to have to cover and chill for at least 2 hours, but I like to leave it overnight. I'm going to drop these onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet using 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop. These will bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for about 9 to 12 minutes. We want them to be fairly dark when they come out. Allow them to cool on the pan for a moment and then move to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. These chocolate chip cookies have a nice, soft, chewy center with the perfect crisp outer edge. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week for a new recipe. Thanks for watching!